Hi everyone, my name's Amelia Schrader and I'm here today to share with you one of our 4 Spring into Creativity kits. This kit is designed especially for kiddos, and we have 2 teaching artists that are going to be featured in this. Nels Ross of Ingest as well as Jeremy Stock. We're really excited for you guys to join with us, and it'll be a lot of fun for your little ones. So the first thing I want to point out is this nice bag that it comes in. It is a cooler tote, so you guys can use it all spring and summer as you go outside for picnics or hiking, maybe a trip to the beach, and it'll be a nice way to remember some of the fun things you did with Spring into Creativity. In this kit, as I said, we're featuring 2 teaching artists, and the first one that we're going to be working with is Jeremy. And Jeremy is going to be making some glitter slime. What kid does not love glitter slime? But what's really neat about what Jeremy is doing, he's actually connecting the slime making experience to some STEM activities to really get your kids thinking about science and math, as well as really fun, beautiful glitter slime. The second teaching artist we're working with is Ingest, or Nels Ross, and he is a juggler. So we're really excited to be able to offer some juggling balls as well as juggling scarves. And Nels is going to teach our participating kiddos how to juggle, which is something I can't do just yet, so I'll probably be in class with you. But we're really excited to be able to share these with you. We also have some other fun things in our kit here, just for more spring activity that you guys can do together as a family. We have some chalk, outdoor sidewalk chalk. We have an idea notebook that your kiddos can write down some of their creative thoughts and ideas in. Maybe they can plan a fun list of things to do this spring and summer. And we have some pastels for them to draw with as well. I hope you guys are as excited about this kit as I am. To get more information or to purchase your own, you can visit us online at www.yawny.org, and we hope to see you this spring for Spring into Creativity.